Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion for booklet number 9, and we are looking at question number 13 here. Now, this question here says that the pie chart below represent the number of marbles of 4 different colors in the box. Now, there were 135 more green marbles than the red marbles. Now, let's look at here. Now, I know yellow color actually is 90 degree. So if 90 degree is for sure 25%. And blue color is 1/5, and we know 1/5 is actually 20%, correct? Now, to know how many percent are actually green in color, we just need to use 100, because 100% is a total, minus 15%, minus 25%, minus 20%. And the answer is 40%. So we know green color actually consists of 40% of the total marbles. Now, B was actually saying all the marbles in the box were placed in 48 bags. Now, but we don't know how many marbles in total yet, right? We know only the percentage. However, there's a tips here saying that there were 135 more green than red. Now, green is 40%, red is 15%. So we actually can minus 40% minus 15%, and we know it's actually 25%. And we know that 25% is actually what? It's actually 135. So 135. So if I want to find the total number of marbles, which is 100%, I actually need to times 4. Because 25 times 4 is equal to 100%. So 135 times 4 is equal to 540. Okay, so now it's 540 means that, and this 540 marbles is actually being placed into 48 bags. There's either 8 or 14 marbles. So what I would try to do is actually try to use 540 divide by 40. I try to put all of this marble into 14 bag with 14 marbles. Let's see, is it possible or not? If I press on calculator for 540 divided by 14, I'll get actually is 38 4/7. 38 4/7 means that I'm able to place 38 into 14 marbles, a bag with 14 marbles, but there are still some extra. And if I were to actually try to make this to become this, this is 47, right? I times 2, I times 2. It will be actually 8/14. Means that I will actually have what? This actually tells me that if I have a bag that has 14, if I have a bag that has 8, I will actually have 38 that have in a bag of 14. And can you see there's extra 8? Means that I actually have one bag with 8 marbles inside. However, if I add this up together, the total number of bags is actually equal to what? Is 39. But they say what? All the marble in the box were placed into 48 bags. 48 bags means that I actually need to add and minus to find out when it is 48 bags, it is equal how many? 14. Means that here will be what? Here will be what? So actually we can just manually like minus 4 plus 7. Yeah. However, what we also can try to do is find out how many times here. What's the difference in the number of bags? So 48 minus 39, what's the difference of bags? The difference of bags is actually 9. 9. So now, means that we need to go through it 9 times. But what is the LCM of 40 and 8? Means that I actually can minus how many, then plus here how many. Let me just quickly find here. LCM of 8 and 14. So 8 and 14. So I divide by 2. It's 4, 7, divide by 2, 2, 7, divide by 2, 1, 7, divide by 7. So it's actually 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. So it's actually 56. Now, which means that every time when I need to remove a certain amount here, then add to another certain amount here. Okay. So 14 times 4 is actually 56. 8 times 7 is actually 56. Means that I actually can minus 4 plus 7. Do you get what it actually means? It actually means that I can take away 56 marbles here because 4 times 14 is 56 and add here 56 marble. Means actually 7 bags here. So it will actually continue like 4 is 8. Then we continue minus minus minus. However, we know the difference between 4 minus 4 and 7. 7 and 4, the difference is actually 3. And we know that we actually need to increase, this difference is actually 3. However, we know we need to increase 9 bags. Means that basically we need to minus 9 divided by 3, which is 3 times. So I made the minus 4 for 3 times 1, 2, 3. Then I will get the exact amount that I want. So I need to minus 4 for 3 times. Means that 4 for 3 times is 12. So, which means the last step is actually 38 minus 12, which means it's 26. Means that here I actually have 26 bags that is with 14 marbles. Okay, so yeah, that's all. We are done. It is kind of confusing maybe, especially when it comes to B, this part. But basically, we just need to minus 4, or we can just manually minus 4 plus 7 minus 4 plus 7. And just a quick reminder that why we are doing this LCM is because we need to minus a certain amount here to add to another side. That's why we need the LCM, find what is the lowest common multiple that we are able to minus and add to another bag. So that's all for my discussion for this question. Is not a hard question, just that maybe just requires out of the thinking. Okay, thank you and see you. Bye bye.